Hello to all my friends out there. And so last night in my video, I had my teapot and this thing just fell off. And when it did fall off, I noticed it was really, really heavy. And I thought, oh, wow, my teapot is ruined. And really it is, because now, it's not worth anything. Because what I did is I glued it on with super glue. So now I have to be super careful with it, and it's okay for the moment, but it's not worth anything now. It was only worth $9.99. Okay, so now I'm into silver stuff, all silver, silver, silver. Just before Christmas, it was gold stuff, all gold stuff, but now it's all silver stuff. And this is really a cute ring that I'm selling. Let me see if I can model it. I like it. It's very cute. It's got a nice face to it too. So, okay. The teapot has recovered and now it's all silver stuff. Let me see if I can, there, that's better. It's like a little flying saucer. How cute.